Another case this week collapsed in court, the McCartney trial. That, for many Republicans, is a stain on the story of republicanism. And the judge was very clear that one of the reasons why the trial collapsed was he couldn't believe the prosecution witnesses, whom he thought had been schooled effectively by the IRA in what to say. Do you accept that this is going to remain a problem for you so long as people are not brought to justice for that murder?
No, I don't believe that it's a problem for Sinn Féin, because I think Sinn Féin in Belfast done everything in its power to support the McCartney family by making it clear to everyone that they should support what was a criminal investigation into the disgusting murder of Robert McCartney. And I have no doubt whatsoever that this case is far from finished. We have appealed consistently to anybody with any information to give that information to the police, because I do believe that it is vitally important that the murderers of Robert McCartney, not just for the sake of Sinn Féin, but for the sake of the entire process of justice, that these people are brought to justice and brought before the courts. And I think during the course of the case, it was made quite clear, and people can either believe or disbelieve what was said by the witnesses, but witnesses said that when they went to the IRA or spoke to the IRA, that the IRA advised them that they should go to the police and they should give whatever information that they have.
But the IRA seemed to go a bit further by meeting witnesses on several occasions. Were they trying to tell them, what to say and what not to say?
Well, I mean, I can't comment on any of that because I'm not aware of it, and I think that the judge was careful in his remarks when he spoke about the prospect that this may have happened. I don't believe that would happen for 1 minute. I believe that if people are advising individuals to go to the police and to give whatever information they know, once those people go to the police station, then essentially those people have to give very forthright statements and subject themselves to the questioning of police officers, and who knows what comes out the other side of that. But those people consistently made it clear that the IRA and Republicans in general were advising them that if they had information that would lead to the apprehension and arrest and conviction of the murderers, that they should do that. And we fully support the McCartney family. We believe that a terrible injustice was done to them, and we believe that those people who murdered their brother should be brought before the courts.
You've said that dissident Republicans need to make a decision now whether to support the current political process or continue on their path of violence. Sinn Féin doesn't seem to have been particularly happy with how things have been going politically recently. Does that not give succour to those who say that the politics isn't working whenever Sinn Féin has been threatening to pull down these institutions within recent weeks?
Well, I think you take a massive leap in suggesting all of that. The fact is that we are in a new political dispensation. We are seeing a transition from Ian Paisley to Peter Robinson as First Minister, as joint First Minister of the North alongside myself. There are, yes, huge challenges ahead. There are issues to be resolved. Have we the ability to resolve them? Yes, I believe that we have. And I think that as we go forward... Is it the
only way forward, though?
Well, the peace process is the only way forward. And the consolidating and sustaining of these institutions, which are power sharing and all Ireland in nature, are undoubtedly the way forward for all of us. And it is the way that has achieved, I think, the overwhelming support of all of the people of this island.
Martin McGuinness, many thanks indeed.
Thank you.